Hi everyone, my name is Renata and today I would like to show you the products from September 2023 release from Art by Marlene. As a member of Art by Marlene Creative Inspirator team, I was lucky enough to get all these products, but I thought to take a look at them together with you. You can here already see the sneak peek of the first product, and that's Art by Marlene pencil case. Though calling it a pencil case might be an understatement. As you can see, it's quite large and it can fit a really whole bunch of art supplies, even the new 24 pan watercolor palette. And I think this makes it really perfect for storaging and traveling with your art supplies. Not sure if you remember, but not long ago Marlene released another pencil case like this. It is the same size, just different design. So now you can either be lucky like me and get both of them or choose between your favorite designs. The next product that I would like to show you belongs to the Essentials line, and it is called Neon Color Paper Pack. In this paper pack there are 5 different neon colors. Each color comes in 2 sizes and each size comes in 2 papers. Here I'm trying to show you what I mean. If you like bold neon colors, this is a really fun product to have, as you can combine these neon colors together and make really beautiful cards or art journal pages, as you really prefer. Just look at these beautiful colors. Oh, and I shouldn't forget to say this is 300 GSM paper and it is A5 format. In this release we got another paper pack, and this one is rather unique. It is called Marker and Pencil Paper, and in this package you get 21 sheet. It is 250 GSM paper, and what's important to mention is that 2 sides of the paper are not same. One side is matte while other is shiny, so that's something to keep in mind depending on the results you are going for. Oh, and acrylics, watercolors and pencils work really great on this paper. The next product is something we haven't seen yet in Art by Marlene's line, and they are luxury paper tags with already printed designs. The designs are printed in black and white, so it is up to you to add some color to it. There is altogether 21 tags in the package, and there are 7 different designs, which means each design comes 3 times. As you can see, there are various types of designs in the package, vintage ones, doodly ones, and later on you will see there's those usual whimsical, quirky designs which we love from Marlene. So the point is, there is something for everyone's taste. These tags are really amazing as you already have some background interest, so add a splash of color, a focal image, and you are done. Perfect for the times when you are in mood to craft, but you don't have too much time on your hand. Do you remember in the previous release when Marlene released Luxury Paper Elements Quirky People? I know I do, because I just love using them. Anyway, Marlene decided to treat us with another batch of these paper elements, but this time we got only ladies, or better yet, fabulous women, as this paper pack is called. As I will try to show you now, this package contains 16 unique designs, and each design comes twice, but as you will see very soon, it comes in a smaller size and as a mirror image, like this example that I'm showing in my hands right now. So altogether you have 32 images to work with and make some fabulous cards and art journal pages. Okay, so the next product from this release are washi tapes. We got 2 packages. Each package has the same design, one in black and white and one in color. The 2 washi tapes that I am trying to show right now come from the same package called triangles. And the other 2 designs, which I will show you now, come from the second package called dotted lines. I really like that they are unusual shapes, for washi tapes at least, and that you can choose between colorful and black and white design depending what fits your project the best. The next product that I would like to show you comes from the Signature Collection release, and they are called Collage papers. This time we have 2 sets, one colorful and one black and white, and I will soon try to show you some designs. This collage paper pad is called Colorful Days. It is a really lightweight paper, and there are 20 sheets. And there are 10 different designs, which means each design comes twice. Oh, and this is a A4 format. And I think it contains some really beautiful colored designs. The paper itself is semi-transparent, so if you want the colors to say bright and bold as they are, it's ideally to put it on the white background. But of course you can achieve some really fun effects if you don't do that as well. The next collage paper sheet is called Black and White Moments. And of course the properties of the paper are same like from the previous one. 20 sheets, 10 unique patterns, lightweight paper, A4 format. Once again, the designs of the papers are very versatile. There are some very detailed ones like this one, floral, doodly, whimsical ones. So I think everyone can find something for his or her own taste. When working with collage papers, you can fully cover the whole background or use them as actual collage papers, cut out elements, make dresses, make flowers, anything. Really, the limit is only your imagination. Okay, so now we are done with paper products, so I would like to show you cutting dies. In this release there are 2 cutting die sets. This one, which I'm holding in my hand, is called Mini-Booklet, and it's actually very versatile and very practical die set. As with it, you can make a customizable mini booklet or mini journal. On the back of the packaging of the die itself, there is a very good instruction on how to make this booklet. And now, following these instructions, I will try to show you how it is made. As you can see, you get this cutout, which has cutout areas but also embossed for easier folding. So basically you just have to follow the lines which are already made for you. Now here, please, I made a little mistake. I am now at this moment going to adhere on the wrong area. If I had adhered my paper on the right area, I would have had another pocket in my little journal. But sadly I closed my little pocket, but anyway, I will know better for the next time. All in all, it's not a really big mistake. I didn't ruin my little journal, I just ended up having one pocket less. So don't stress yourself, it's actually really easy once you make your first one. Anyway, as hopefully you noticed, I was in a zigzag form, folding my paper using a bone folder. And now I will do some gluing, this time not making mistakes. And by adhering it in this exact way as I did it just now, I will make my journal have 2 pockets, which will be opened from up, as you can see. For adhering, I was using Art by Marlene Sticky Multi-Glue, and you can see the pocket this time. Now the same process I will do on the other side of the little booklet. And here you can see how it looks. Here is the pocket from up. Here is the one which I would have in the middle if I adhered it well. And to finish it off, I will use my new washi tape to make the spine. Now I made a very basic booklet just for the sake of demonstration. But in this die set there is so many little dies which you can use to make your custom little journal. You can also cut out some quote, some inserts, some frames, etc. This can be a really fun crafty project for yourself, but also something that you could do for your kids, because I know my kids really enjoyed this one. The second die set from this release is a very unique die set. It is called Tag-tastic. But let me tell you what is so special about this tag die set. Well, on the first place, the sheer size of it. Here you can see it compared to my hand. But of course also those cute, quirky, customizable elements that Marlene likes to design for us. This time I am not going to demonstrate the die cutting, but for those of you who might find themselves confused by all the little die elements that we have, you can once again find the instruction on the back of the packaging. But of course I can, and I probably will, make some video making more detailed instruction for this die. Also, as you can see, there is not just the dies for those two tags, but also for a small one, which can either be used separately or to make some kind of cute little inserts for the big die itself. Now, the last but certainly not the least, the stamps. In this release we have 4 new stamp sets. The one which I'm holding in my hand is called the Magic Potion, and it has a lot of fun little elements to make a really cute feminine magical pages. There is that little moon, stars, the little cloud, the magical swirl, the crystals. Really beautiful stamp set. The second stamp set is called Face It, and it contains 8 uniquely designed faces and 3 bodies, so it's actually a mix and match stamp set, and with it you can make some really fun and unexpected combinations. The third stamp set is called Party Elephant, and it's really perfect for art journaling, but also for those amazing birthday cards. As you can see, there is a cake, there is a number which you can customize for your needs, but also there is these banners at the top which you can stamp and then cut out to make a little banner like you can see on the back of the packaging. Now the fourth stamp set is called Stamp It, and it has a little bit more grungy elements, postal stamps, tickets, but also these beautiful stars and circle. It's actually really beautiful stamp set for all of you mixed media lovers. Now that's all from this release. It's once again a very beautiful one, and I hope you can all find something for your own soul. Thanks for watching. Bye!